Okay, who is ready for some new Genius Messenger features? We have 3.6.16 currently out. I'm running a test version now of 3.6.17. So let's look at some of the new features that will be coming out once Chrome has approved all of this. So, one thing you'll notice right now, if I refresh this page here, it lets us know through some toast notifications that it's loading and that labels are showing and some other things. Some people love being able to see that because it'll show an error message if there's something wrong and they can keep an eye on things. But some people have reported they don't like that. So, what we've done in here, again, just about everything is accessible when you hit messages, except for your labels, tags, webhooks, and broadcast. Okay, you hit messages to go to the portal, right? So a couple of things we've done. We've got a settings area now, and you can turn the extension on and off in Facebook. This is the same as this one over here, show labels in Facebook, but we've also got it in settings now. But we can turn off those toast notifications. We can turn off all of them, okay? Or we can show specific ones. So I can say, I want to show user interaction. All right, so it'll do like when a message goes out or something like that. Or I can say, no, I don't need those, but I do want to know every time. Whoops. I do want to know every time, I load a page. So I'll turn that one off. Let's go back here. Let's refresh the page. And I see these because those are not interaction ones. All right, but if I turn them all off, okay, nothing's on. Whoops, I think I have to do that. Turn that off, and then I can turn them all off, okay? So let's go refresh the page again. And now we have no notifications. So it's your choice now whether you want to see these notifications or not. That's something that a lot of people have asked for. Okay, another thing that we have added is we've cleaned up the import-export section. There are different things we can do now. Okay, you can back up your account, and you can import a backup. Now, remember, this will overwrite everything, so use that carefully. You can export a CSV of all your contacts and with their labels and tags and all that stuff is. You can export a template. That just exports, it doesn't export all the contacts and things, that just exports your canned messages, your labels, your tags. If you have a sales team and you want to, give them a template that they can start using Genius Messenger and have everything preloaded, you can export yours and they can import it in theirs. It won't overwrite everything, it'll just add it to whatever they have. And now we have one, and this may not be working right away because we're still working with the format that ChatSilo uses, but a lot of people say they're getting a lot of ChatSilo users in that have been asking about can they import their tags they've exported from ChatSilo. This will be a way to import a Excel file, an XLSX file. ChatSilo, my understanding is you can export things to a Google Sheet. So from the Google Sheet, you can just download as an Excel and then import it here. And it'll add those. It'll add all your contacts and everything. Now, if they've already got the contacts labeled in Genius Messenger and then they import this, if there are duplicates, it will create a duplicate contact. So this is really for new, clean people just starting out with Genius Messenger. Just import it once, and it'll give them a little bit of a jump, a little bit of a head start on using this. And then the other feature, and we've done some other minor things in the background to make things operate smoother that doesn't change what you're doing, just you'll notice it's a little better. And the other thing we've added is a notice section. When we have something that we need to let all the users know, hey, we've got a known issue on this, it's being fixed, it's uploaded to Chrome, we'll have it fixed as soon as it's uploaded. Things like that that'll cut down on our partners' customer support, our users having to submit user issues. If there is an issue, if there's something that we know is going on. If we're doing server maintenance, we can give everybody a heads up ahead of time. If we have some notice, we can put those kinds of things in here, and they'll be able to see, yeah, hey, something's going on. Oh, good, server's going to be down. It's going to be down for 8 minutes. At 3:00 tomorrow afternoon, I can work accordingly. So whatever notices we need. So that's what we've got coming up in version 3.6.17. Once the Chrome store approves it. As always, if you see any issues, let us know. And as always, if you have a feature that you would like to see, I'll talk to my development team. And if it's feasible and there's enough of a demand for it, we will certainly add it. Okay, thanks.